Now question number in this class I will solve question number 6 and question number 7. Okay, in question number 6 that is given a smaller greenhouse is made of a glass pans and held together with the tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter height. First of all, so as length, breadth and height are different, so it means it's a cuboid. Length 30, breadth 25, height 25. Okay, these three are the centimeter. So 30 centimeter, 25 length 30 centimeter, breadth 25 centimeter and height 25 centimeter. Now in the question it is asked that it is what is the area of the glasses. First of all, if we want to find the area of the glasses, so we need to find the total surface area of that cuboid. It means total surface, then we get the total surface area of the glasses. So total surface area of glasses of container that is, what is the formula of total surface area? Tell me quickly, what is the formula of total surface area of a cuboidal container? Quickly. So that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so put 2 into 25 into 30, that is 750. B into H, 25 into 25, 625. 25 into 30, again 750. So 750 plus 750, that is 1500. 1500 plus 625, that is 2 into 2165, 2125. 2125, that is 4250 centimeter square. So total surface area of cuboid, that cuboidal container is 4250. It means glasses, area of the glasses, it means 6 faces, area of the 6 faces. Got it everyone? Next next question, and how much tape is needed? Because this point, look at the figure quickly. These ends are, this is the ends of 2 faces. These 2 edges are attached with the tape, and this end, okay, the 12 edges, we need to, not 12 edges, that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So length of the tape required, that is 2 into L plus B plus H. That is clear or not? Tell me quickly. No, I think that is some mistake. So each ends are connected. Yes, 4. Each connected by ends are connected. So we need, that is 4L plus, so that is 4B and 4H. Got it? Now that will be 4 into L plus B plus H and 4 value of L, that is 30 plus 25 plus 25. So 25 plus 25, that is 50, 50 plus 30, 80, 80 into 4, 320. 320 centimeter tape is needed to wrap this, to make this container. Got it, everyone? Okay, any doubt regarding this portion? If you have doubt, tell me. I will try to solve your that why it is 4L, why it is 4B, why it is 4H. Any doubt that 4L, 4B, 4H? If you have no sir, okay, then I will shift. Just think that L means this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4L. 4B means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 height means 1, 2, 3, 4. These edges are need to be attached with the tape. That's why 4L plus 4B plus 4H. Got it? So 320 meter length of tape is needed. Now moving on, question number, question number 5, sorry, that is question number 7. Santi Sweets stall has was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two size of boxes were required. The bigger dimension 25 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and smaller dimension 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter for all over laps. Okay, 5% of the total surface area required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each boxes. Okay, so first of all, two sweet boxes are there. One is greater and one is smaller. Okay, now one of them, that is the 25 centimeter. So first of all, you for data we can consider, that which one is smaller box, which one is bigger box. So first of all, total surface area of bigger box, what will be the total surface area of bigger box? That is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, as length, breadth, height, 3 different measure, so it must be a cuboid. That is the formula of total surface area of cuboid. Any problem up to this? Tell me. Now 2 into L into B. L into B means, that is 15 into 20, 15 into 12, 12 into plus 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5. Then it will be 15 into 12, that is 180, 12 into 5, that is 60 and 75. So 180 plus 60, that is 240, 240 plus 75, that will be 5, 3, 2 into 630. So 630. Why it is the smaller box? Oh yes, that is the in case of 15 into, yes, that is the smaller box, not greater box. That dimension is for the smaller box. Okay. smaller box, that is 630 centimeter square, 630 centimeter square. Okay. Now student, for overlapping 5% required more, for overlapping 5% 16 more. So what is the 5% of 630? 5% of 630, that is 5 into, you can write here the for overlapping, that is for overlapping 5% into 630 by 100, 002, that is 31.5 centimeter square, 31.5 centimeter square. Now tell me, what is the total surface area for the smaller boxes? Total surface area for the smaller boxes, that equal to 630 plus 31.5 centimeter square. So it will be 661.5 centimeter square. Okay. So area of smaller box, that is 31.5 plus 630. So it will be 661.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now come to the bigger box. The area of the bigger box, total surface area, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So that will be 2 into LB. LB means 25 into 20, that is 500, plus BH. BH means 60, plus HL. HL means 75. So you will get 200, 500 plus 560 plus 75. So you will get, that is 7 to 5. That will 7 to 5. So 500 plus 560 plus 75. Okay. Okay, tell me, any problem? Sorry, 535, I think so. 2 into 5. What? Then tell me. Any problem? Okay, I am calculating it again. LB, L means 25 into 20, that is 500. BH, oh, 100 is missing. 100 is missing. 5. BH means 100, not 60. Okay. BH means that is 20 to 5, that is 100, and 125. Okay. 125, then it will be 500 plus 100 plus 125, 2 into 725, and it is 4150. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. Okay. Now 5%, again in this case also 5% extra. So for overlapping 5% of, for overlapping 5% extra, then 5% of 1450, that is 5 into 1450, 052. So that is 72.5 centimeter square. Then area for the smaller boxes, area required for the bigger boxes, that is area for bigger boxes, bigger box, that is 1450 plus 72.5, 1450 plus 72.5. So that will be 1525 1522.50. Okay, 1522.5 centimeter square, 225 centimeter square. Okay, that is the area of smaller box and bigger box. Now students, total area needed, that is, so smaller box 250 needed and bigger box 250 needed. So area of 250 such boxes, that is smaller box, that is 661.5 into 250, that is 661.5 into 250, and find out the area. Tell me what will be the area. And area of 250 bigger box, that is 1522.50 into 250. That will be, tell me quickly, first amount, that is 1522 by 380 to 625 centimeter square, and for the smaller box it is 165375 centimeter square. Got it? Is it right? Okay, Rajana, 380 625, yes, centimeter square. Both are the, and also the smaller box. Quickly check it. 165375 and 380625. These two are right or wrong? Check it quickly. So and it has the total 250 box says area is 165375 plus 380625. So total area of cardboard, needed, this plus this. Okay, so it will be 165375 plus 380625, that you will get 5454600 centimeter square. If you added this to 380625 165375, you will get 546000 centimeter square. Now it is the total surface area of cardboard, but which is needed to form the 250 boxes of smaller box and greater and bigger box. What will be the cost? Now total cost, first of all 54600 rupees 4 per 100,000 centimeter square. So 4, and as it is 1000, so write it down here 100,000, sorry, write it down 1000. So 546 into 4, 546 into 4, that is rupees 2184. Okay, that amount is needed to make the 250 smaller box and 250 bigger box. Okay students, so students, today I have solved question number 7 and question number 6. I hope you will get that concept of